Hey, just wanted to make you a close-up video of the Nissan Altima's hood. I saw where you were asking Kai if it had any kind of chips on the hood. I did just get the car cleaned, and well, this video is shot in 4K to kind of hopefully help you see it as close as possible, but I don't notice any kind of big chips or anything like that. I know in the photo that was sent over, it may have looked like it was some. If there's anything, they're little small rock pecks. Like, I'll try to get very close. Something like that, which of course you don't really notice at all. Like right in there. I don't even know if that's a chip or is that some kind of something. But overall, it looks like a pretty normal hood. No kind of damage or anything like that. And I'm moving around just to kind of really help you see it as close as possible. Like, you may see something like that right there. And then we'll come down to the front of the hood too. And of course you do see a small little rock chip, but with most of the vehicles that they make nowadays having these painted front ends or painted front bumpers and how they're shaped, that's typical to see little small things like that, but definitely nothing big. I also did want to get down close to this front bumper for you as well. Don't really see anything down here. You'll see that looks more like possibly some bug splatter or something like that. Just like on the lens right here, definitely not chips, more like bugs that got stuck on there. And some of that stuff stays on there even after it's been washed. And just kind of looking around there, but yeah, very, very clean in the front. Anything that is on the hood is pretty typical of a vehicle like this. And just getting up close to this and moving the camera so you can see it is a few little spots on here from bug splatter, but nothing is eating through the paint, nothing etched in the paint. You'll see very, very small things like that, but up here on top of the hood, nothing else that I can really see up there. As far as the rest of the car, everything looks pretty good as far as like paint chips, no dents, no scuffs or anything like that I'm noticing. We'll get up close to that rear bumper here so that you can see nothing there. It is still a little wet from just being washed. And back over here on this rear bumper, just kind of slowly going across that so that you can see all of that up close too. We got our SR right there, the lip spoiler, the trunk deck lid looks good. And all of the wheels look pretty good. These are some, pretty large size wheels, so sometimes you'll see a little curb rash on them. That was the front wheel. This is the rear driver side wheel here. Looks pretty good. Rear passenger side wheel here looks pretty good as well. And the only one I saw some light scuffs on was this front passenger side wheel over here. As I get up close to it, you'll see around the edge, you see like a little light scuffs and stuff there. Definitely not any kind of major damage or anything like that. Just wanted to point that out on this wheel over here, but like I said, it's not too noticeable. As far as the interior, everything looks really good inside here. We got our leather seats with the light red stitching in here. Everything looks good, everything's intact, nothing is broken or rubbed off or anything like that. And just another quick look inside. Didn't want to make the video too long, but I did want you to see the car exactly as it is. Very good shape, and just wanted to show it to you as close as possible. And once again, I'll just start the vehicle up. Turn that down, let you see that dashboard. Everything there looks really good. It's pretty much exactly 9,000 miles on it, 9,001 miles on the vehicle. Everything works as it should, just showing you all of that stuff. And of course, with that low miles, it does still have the remainder of its factory warranty. All right, if you have any additional questions about the Altima, give us a call and just let us know. We can do everything all over the phone. Thank you.